we are going to spice up things. We are going to the next level. We will be building an ultimate NFT staking and minting application.
Net2 Dev.
So we're going to be doing an NFT staking dashboard with the NFT Minter. And with that, I want to show you a quick demonstration of what are we going to build. So now I'm going to show you the fully finalized application, and you and I both, we will build this from scratch. Okay, so I will show you how to build this entire platform from zero to hero. I'm going to show you all the details to do this amazing web front end. I did this with a lot of love and a lot of dedication, so then you can understand how can we go to the next level in Web3 adoption, because that's my goal. I want Web3 adoption to the masses. I want everyone to embrace Web3. You right there, you are looking at me right now. You are becoming part of this, and I really, really appreciate that. Alrighty? Okay, and also I want to mention, I've been getting emails from viewers who are looking to launch their NFT projects. They want to get this up and running, and I understand they don't have time to like deal with the whole developing side of things and the whole front end development. So I was thinking the following. It would be a great idea if I can offer this so anyone that cannot wait until we finish the entire video series, because we will build this from scratch. Day one, all the way to the end. I am going to work on the web UI first. So the first video that we are going to do is going to involve the front end. Okay, so we are building the whole objects, the nav bar, we're building the staking dashboard, we're building the NFT Minter. That NFT Minter will give you the opportunity to mint a couple of NFTs at a time, use your custom ERC20 token, use your native token, okay? And then we will build a staking vault, and I'm going to show you a demo because I have the full application up and running. But to go back into the subject, I want to invest in the channel, and I think it's gonna be a great idea if anyone needs this front end built. They already have their art, they already have pretty much their NFT platform. As far as the art, the metadata, all the art, it's ready to go. They want to deploy this and they need the front end. I am willing to offer this. So if anyone is interested, they can support my channel. Definitely would like to get more equipment to do more things, more amazing things, but for that we need capital, okay? So if you are interested in getting the front end, feel free to reach me to info@a3b.io. I am going to place it right here, so you have it right there. If you're interested because you need to deploy your collection right away or you're deploying your application, I'm more than happy to sell you the front end. Disclaimer, the front end. We are not going to be deploying smart contracts. I cannot assist with any smart contract deployment, nor bringing the application online or anything like that. This is literally, I'm just selling you the skeleton, I'm selling you the application, but you still have to connect and you have to mint your smart contracts. You have to do everything else and also deploy it on a server and bring it online on the internet. That's up to you. I'm willing to sell the front end if you need it, okay? So reach out to me, info@a3b.io, and once you reach me, I can go ahead and give you the details, okay? And let's go ahead right away, and we're going to jump and take a look at the whole picture. I want to make this as an introduction so you can see what we are going to be building in the upcoming days, okay? So let's go ahead and let's take a look at that amazing Web3 NFT staking application. Let's go. So I present to you the End to the NFT Staking Web3 dApp version 1. Okay, so I want to show you what we are going to be building in the upcoming videos. We first start with the front end. So to tell you a little bit more about the Web3 front end that we will build, it will be built using ReactJS, following the same video concepts that I already discussed in this channel, okay? However, we will be doing styling with CSS. We want to make this as visually appealing as possible. And not only that, we will have multiple tabs, and you can see something kind of interesting in this application. This tab, it's going to be designated for the NFT marketplace. So we will list NFTs and the end users will be able to sell their own NFTs, okay? But we are working with the NFT marketplace on a completely separate video because that is an animal on its own. There's a lot of things that we have to work on that, okay? Bridge NFTs. Not going to give you details on that yet. Subscribe. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will first build the entire graphical interface. We will style this with Bootstrap and CSS. We will also adopt Morales as well as Alchemy. Morales will give us the NFT ID information so that we can use it on our JavaScript map so then we can generate each NFT card, okay? And that's how we display each one. So as people buy NFTs, they will be generated, okay? Each NFT will have the capabilities of staking, unstaking, but here's the fun part. Here's the amazing part of this. Okay, let's go back up. We will also build 2 dashboards to work with staking reward and to verify your vault, okay? The difference between this and the previous videos is that in the previous videos, it was very manual. You only could verify how many NFTs were staked. That's about it. If you wanted to check the amount of earned rewards, you had to input the NFT ID. Now, regardless of how many NFTs you have staked, they will be shown along with the total amount. You also have an option to unstake all the NFTs at the same time. And this value right here is the total amount of the staking rewards for each NFTs all combined, which is amazing because now you see the total amount, the total rewards that you are earning for the amount of NFTs. When you click claim, you get the earnings from all the NFTs that have been staked. So one thing is telling you about it, another thing is showing you. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. The first thing I'm gonna do, I am going to buy 2 NFTs. And we are going to select 2 and we will select our End Nav token. You get the MetaMask wallet prompt and we will confirm the transaction. It's asking us 2, each one 30 NTD rewards times 2, 60, confirm, okay? We will wait for an approval and we should see this incrementing to 48. Okay, so we will wait for that approval. And by the way, this is already configured with the EIP 1559 gas fee. Okay, and what we see right now, we saw a prompt that we have a transfer completed, and that's the confirmation. And now you paid, now you can mint. Beautiful. You see? Amazing. We will wait for this to finish and we should get 48. It has finished, so that means we got 2 NFTs. Let's go ahead and refresh. Beautiful. Okay. Let me now verify. Now we bought NFT 47 and 48, so I can go ahead and stake those 2. Let's go ahead and stake those 2. Let's go and find that 48. And 47, look at here. Here they are. So let me go ahead and stake 48. Confirm. Let me go ahead and stake 47. Confirm. All those instructions are following EIP 1559. Wait for the confirmation. Once we get that confirmation, we will look at the vault. And we got confirmation. Awesome. Now let's take a look and verify again. Beautiful. Now we got 34, 35, 40, 47, and 48. We got a total of 5 NFTs staked. If we checked and to the rewards, this should start incrementing faster because now we got 5 NFTs and we are earning 1 End-to-the-R token per NFT stake. And there's a total of 5, so we should be earning 5 into the rewards per day based on the smart contract calculation, okay? Now I want to claim rewards for all my NFTs. We'll click claim. And remember, when we claim, we are going to claim the rewards per each NFT. It's not like there's one single call. So if we have 5 NFTs, we got to claim 5 times, but you only click it once and you should get 5 different transaction approval prompts in MetaMask. So let's go ahead and do that. Claim, and we got 5. You see right here, let me expand. You can see right here, we're waiting for that. Okay, so we got the first one, second NFT, third NFT, fourth NFT, and finally the 5th NFT. So we got a claim of 5 staking rewards because we got 5 NFTs, okay? Once that's done, we should get this reset back to 0. So let's wait for that confirmation and we will go from there. Let's see. And we got 3, 4, 5, all of them. Awesome. Now let's take a look at the end to the rewards. Sure enough, back to 0 because you claimed all your rewards. So now the counter will start again, okay? Let me go ahead and unstake 34 and 35. Let's go ahead and find 34 and 35. And where are ya? There we go, here we go. Unstake 34, oh 35, sorry. And now we are going to unstake 34. So we got 2 NFTs on stake. We will confirm in MetaMask and then we'll verify again and make sure that they are no longer in the vault. Let's wait for that. Yeah, we are waiting for this one on stake. Both of them got unstaked. Let's go ahead and verify. Sure enough, 40, 47, and 48 are the only NFTs left to be unstaked. I want to unstake all of them. Sure enough, unstake all. And again, we got 3 different NFTs, so we got 3 transactions. 1, 2, and finally 3. And we'll wait for that. This is queued because it's going to do 1 at a time, and boom, all of them done. Amazing. Okay, so let's check again and see how much do we have. How many NFTs do we have? 0. Okay, and we have the claim on 0 because when we unstake the NFTs from the vault contract, you also get your payout, okay? Let's say one last thing to test and we'll wrap it up, and this is what we're building. This is exactly what we're building, and it's gonna be a long journey. We're going to start with the graphical interface, but we'll move into modifying the smart contracts because it's very important to do some changes to get this functionality, okay? So with that said, I am going to do one more thing. We are going to check if, let's say, the end user wants to stake for the first time. You got the set approval for all already attached to the web application. So we are going to authorize my wallet, and you can see here set approval for all, and you can go ahead and confirm, and you got the approval for all. Awesome, right? Okay, you saw it, you're excited. Oh, trust me, we are going to learn a lot together, okay? Because once we see the whole development of this kind of front end, you will feel more comfortable working with ReactJS and JavaScript and at least understand how to make the functions work based on what you need, okay? So I also would like to mention, if you haven't seen the previous videos and how to build your first Web3 application, I strongly recommend you go and watch those first, because during this particular training series, I will not go into the basics. We are going one step forward because we need to discuss more advanced details, okay? So I want to make sure, if you're new to the channel, welcome, first of all, subscribe and like, okay? And make sure that you start watching Build Your First Web3 Application. Once you're done with those videos, take a look at the 4 videos, how deploying an NFT staking smart contract, okay? So watch those, watch the Build My First Web3 Application, then go ahead and watch the NFT staking videos. Those are 4, okay? Alrighty, So that's it for this video. I hope you like what we are about to work together. And please subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next video. Let's do it!